you're like most people, you're looking to shed some unwanted pounds and inches, gain lean muscle, or just looking to feel younger. Whatever your aspirations, the IsaBody Challenge is the tool to help you create your ideal body and way of life.
I was 330 plus pounds. Once introduced to Isagenix, I was a fan of it immediately, releasing 126 pounds total. I'm entering my first bodybuilding comp and really going to push my body to the limit.
I have struggled with my weight my entire life. Every time I started a diet, I would take my before picture, and I have 20 before pictures, and I never had an after until now.
I went from 34% body fat down to 15%. And so I have not been that lean, and I haven't ever been that lean.
Take advantage of the breakthrough systems that thousands have used to transform their athletic performance, health, and weight.
Just because you hit 40, you've had kids, doesn't mean that's the end of you. It can be the beginning.
Our products have helped to change the lives of elite athletes and hundreds who have successfully used it to shed and keep off 100 pounds or more.
I have lost 100 pounds.
105 pounds.
117 pounds.
115 pounds.
The IsaBody Challenge gives you your chance to win a share of more than $200,000 in cash, awards, trips, and free product. With 3 judging periods per year, there are more ways to win than ever. Each challenge will reward 5 IsaBody transformation winners with $3,000 cash in a paid trip on the IsaBody Challenge Transformation Cruise. 10 honorable mentions with $1,000 cash. And everyone that completes their challenge will receive a $200 product certificate and an exclusive challenge t-shirt. The IsaBody Challenge is simple, easy to start, and delivers the results you want. All of the information can be found on isabodychallenge.com. We are so convinced you will see results, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Your incredible life-changing transformation is waiting for you. You could be the next IsaBody Challenge transformation. Take action now and contact the person that shared this video with you. They will get you on the pathway to the body and lifestyle you've always imagined.